Are you looking for a new and better solution to avoid the hassles and damage that may occur while installing a toilet? Using zero cut bolts eliminates the hassle of using those long, hard-to-cut ordinary toilet bolts, and they make lining up your toilet a cinch. Zero cut bolts are the innovative, height-adjustable toilet bolt solution for a hassle-free toilet installation. Zero cut bolts has everything you need to install a toilet with ease, including adjustable height bolts with an extension of up to 3 inches, alignment guides, and sliding adapters to tighten the bolts and attach the low-profile bolt caps. Zero-cut bolts require zero cutting and zero tools for zero problems, and they can make your toilet installation a one-person job. The zero-cut bolt alignment bullets remain upright and allow you to position the toilet with ease. If the rib on the blue alignment bullet is above the toilet base, just use the stainless steel bolt. The brass extension is not needed. If the rib on the blue alignment bullet is below the toilet base, use the brass extension and screw in the stainless steel bolt, adjusting to the height needed. Zero-cut bolts easily adjust to the height needed for any toilet installation, no matter if the flange is above, below, or flush with the floor. Optional use. Only use the white spacer if the bolt does not tighten down completely. There is no need to use a hacksaw to cut the bolts or to use a wrench to tighten the bolts, risking damage to the porcelain or injuring yourself. Zero-cut bolts comes with a limited lifetime warranty and was invented by U.S.A. Plumbers. Purchase your zero-cut bolts today and experience this innovative product and enjoy zero cutting, zero tools, and zero problems.